Hi there, it's Rachael Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear. Let me ask you, have you ever gone to apply for a mortgage or a credit card and then suddenly, like clockwork, your phone starts blowing up with calls from other lenders? Yes, it is frustrating, invasive, and downright annoying. And today I'm going to break down why this happens and how you can make it stop. So here's the deal. When you apply for a mortgage, your credit report gets pulled by three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and within 24 hours, your information is added to something called a trigger lead list. What is a trigger lead? Great question. It is a list of people who just applied for credit. And get this, that list is then sold to other creditors. Yes, they literally sell your information to lenders who will flood your inbox, your voicemail, and while it feels like a massive invasion of privacy, unfortunately, it's perfectly legal under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. These companies can sell your data as long as the buyers meet certain legal requirements. You might be thinking, how is this even legal? Well, here's the reasoning. Regulators like the Federal Trade Commission and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau believe it encourages competition amongst lenders. They think it helps consumers get the best deal possible. But in reality, it just leads to more headaches for you. And the credit bureaus like Equifax and Experian make a lot of money from selling you as a lead. Okay, so now let's talk about solutions. You can opt out of being a trigger lead, and I highly recommend doing so before you apply for a mortgage, credit card, or any kind of loan. And here's how. Online, you can go to optoutprescreen.com. You'll need to provide your name, your social security number, and your date of birth. From there, you can choose to opt out for 5 years or permanently. By phone, you can call 1-888-5-OPT-OUT and had a couple of months for the calls and emails to completely stop. So plan ahead and give yourself enough time to avoid the hassle. As your trusted real estate expert, I take your privacy very seriously. Your personal information is not a commodity, and it shouldn't be treated as one. If you're planning to apply for a mortgage soon, let's strategize together to keep your information safe and avoid these intrusive calls altogether. And hey, if this practice bothers you as much as it bothers me, I encourage you to contact your congresspeople and senator. Let's work together to push for a change. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with somebody who needs to hear this. If you have any questions or want to chat more about real estate, feel free to drop me a line or give me a call, 909-744-2190. Talk to you soon. Bye.